Upside down, cross, turn to my neck, shut him up. Upside down, cross,
I'm the CEO now.
You just gotta be ready.
Upside down, cross, turn to my neck, shut him up. The billions plat that side. My bride tryna go for it.
Bankrupt, y'all. Look at the fucking shelves. Ain't shit on the shelves. It's empty. We don't got no more money. Fuck. Jet, you heard? Superline's going bankrupt.
I don't believe that shit.
Bro, look at the shelves. It's empty as fuck. Look, all this right here, you guys think we're booming? How much are we selling these for?
$2. Losing money.
Morgan is so mad right now that he's shipping out all these orders and not making no money. He's not even getting paid for this shit. That's why his attitude's off. He's fucking angry.
Yeah. Somebody hire me.
Morgan has not gotten paid for the last 2 weeks. He needs some money, man. This is how expensive this motherfucker is, right? This is his satchel. When's the last time you met a guy with a satchel? But this is a Louis Vuitton satchel. This is what he carries on the day-to-day. This is like a $1,400 satchel. Unfortunately, because we're going bankrupt, we can no longer afford Morgan. So please like and comment and fucking buy something because I don't know what the fuck we're gonna do. Right, Justin?
I need to eat. I'm hungry.
Superline going bankrupt that we getting empty boxes in. This is an incoming shipment. We ordered 50 boxes of shaka. How the fuck they all empty?
Bro.
It's because the wire didn't clear. The check bounced. So they literally said, fuck you guys, and sent us empty boxes. Look, y'all think I'm playing. Y'all think this is a bit, right? Scripted, right? Empty. 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 Superline going bankrupt, y'all. Even Vic's looking for another job. Guys, we got 74. How much is the G-Wagon?
Where the fuck did you just get this mic? Where did you just come from? Because we was just having regular convo and...
Look, when you a celebrity, paparazzi just pop out.
Is that what they saying?
I'm just confused how this happened so quick.
The shooters gotta be ready. This is the layer.
Oh, what the fuck?
How much are these chains?
I charge 60.
How much are you making for?
Actually, these were expensive. I made these for like $20.
What about this? How much are those?
How much? I sold these for 50.
How much do you make those for? Damn.
You gonna put this on the internet?
They know you scam already.
And you stole
They know
that
you
hat.
scam already. Oh shit, he did steal the, call the feds. Tell me why I get a text message today and my manager sent me this. At Superline Wholesale, they got cameras at every angle. And Andy, he's always watching. Matter of fact, let me just Apple request him right now. Damn. Guess I gotta just file a report. It is what it is.
Wait, what you mean? Who's scamming, bro? Yo, y'all in the comments and don't let this propaganda be pushed. Like, everybody get their shit.
Bro, I have a text message this week was like, bro, I sent you the deposit. Where's my design? I have a text message right now. Wednesday, September 11th. Hey, Kareem, any updates? September 12th. Any luck with Kareem? Question mark. September 13th. It's been 25 hours. Nothing yet. Like a week later. Saturday. Computer back up. If you can't do your job, can you just refund the deposit? I got receipts, Kareem. I got receipts.
Better late than never. Just like I took 3 years to get the shoes. Like, it's the same shit. Like, everything take time.
What if we do a sleazy collection? How much do Superline gotta pay for a sleazy collection? You come in here, you get the master nerd, he helps you cook up some shit, and you drop like 10 pieces, 10 blanks.
I take all my payment in blanks.
You wouldn't want to take a cash up front check?
Because I'm going to get more money if I just sell the clothes.
What is the cash up front price? Well, one, I'm not doing 100% up front, but how much would it be for a sleazy collaboration?
Need like 100.
All right.
You the bro, so we could do like 60.
How about you take off like another zero from there? It gotta be a 4-digit number. 6-digit number is crazy. 9999.
For 10,000, you gotta put it all up front. 10 racks? Come on,
bro.
You get money,
this
bro.
I just
you
cut,
money,
hey,
bro.
cut to the clip where I just said I got a text message and somebody paid the deposit, he didn't get the work. Bro, I have a text message this week was like, bro, I sent you the deposit. Where's my design? I have a text message right now.
He got it today.
Oh yeah, okay, 7 days later, I guess.
Exactly.
If I'm dealing with Kareem, I know for a fact I ain't paying up front 100%.
What?
But you know where to find me.
What?
If I don't pay you, you know where to find me. I'm here.
I'm here.
You're not here.
To give him 10 or give him whatever worth of blanks.
Or yeah, you can do that too. You want 99999 worth of blanks.
10 bands worth at a cost price at blanks.
Okay, of the collection. I'll do that all day.
Okay,
That's easy.
It's on camera. We gotta work that out. Joseph, can you cook up a collection for him?
Easy.
All right, $100,000 collection. Miss Lee got to pay $99999 in blanks. We're gonna work on that. Superline rebrand. What kind of Uggs are those?
Gallery Uggs.
When you step outside, do you purposely put one tucked in and the one out?
Yes.
I should be doing that too, like this.
Not with those. Not with those.
You know, one time I looked up Kareem and Sleazy on a mood board, and then I dressed like them. I walked downstairs, and my wife was like, "Take that shit off right now."
Why have we never seen this?
She deleted the photo.
I mean, you kind of you just gotta change the shoes, bro. I'm just not really fucking with the shoes.
I'm working.
You gonna put this on the page, and they gonna start calling me gay and like these
A
new
scammer. Ask for the deposit up front.
In this scam shit, like you call me a scammer, not everybody think like, oh yeah, Kareem did this. Like everybody in the world gets scammed, bro. Every once in a while, like it's still a part of life. Like I got scammed before.
Man, you know what they say. Hurt people hurt people. Wouldn't let that shit happen to me though.
We ended up not hiring Kareem. So now we got Quay's MCM, Cash K.
My boy Cash, yeah, pulling up for us to shoot some sets.
My wife was like, who is Cash K? How do I reply to that? I didn't want to say TikToker. I didn't want to say influencer. I feel like that's like disrespectful.
I don't know. I don't think influencer is a bad word, you know? He out here influencing the youth, so.
Influencer. All right, Cash K the influencer. All I know is he be getting fly and he be doing these crazy dances. Maybe he could teach me how to dance today. By the way, I got no rhythm, so you're going to have to edit that portion out, Sam. Just because you got an MCM don't mean that you gay. My MCM, Sleazy, I think he's the coolest guy in the world. But I'm married. I got a kid. I can admire good looks when they look good. And Quay, you like Cash K. Toxic masculinity. It's okay to appreciate other men, guys. It's not sus. It's not queer. It's not weird. It's just love. What's up, bro? How's it going? Eric.
Nice to meet you, Eric.
What's your name, bro?
No, Cash.
Cash. What's your government name?
I can't do the government on a camera like that. Y'all trying to be federal? I can't do it.
I mean, I feel like I don't really know somebody unless I know their government name. But we'll do it off the camera. You know, I told my wife I was going to shoot with Cash K. And she was like, what does he do? And I didn't want to say influencer. What would be the correct terminology for what you do?
I'm going to just settle with entertainer for right now. People be booking me for my personality, but then also like with the swag, with the fashion style. But I'm not no stylist. Just to like put it into one, I just feel like I'm an entertainer.
It's the Cash K show.
And do your homework on the fidget spinner too. That's the vibes we on. Hey y'all, check this out. Look, for all my people that's not from Atlanta, this is the infamous Fit Pick spot. Check this out. If you ever see anybody flick up over here, you know they's in the city, man. They in the city, they in the town. No cap, I was taking fit pics over here, and like 3 or 4 people said, Cass, bro, what's up? And we all just started taking group pictures right here, man. No cap, go to air right here, for real.
He giving y'all the secrets.
Everybody know, whenever you taking fit pics, you know secret locations, you gotta gatekeep, but it's about to be 2025, man. If you wanna take fit pics, it's right there, bro.
Cash giving the free game today.
Nah, he's speaking facts. I specifically like to shoot in this location because it doesn't feel like Atlanta. I've shot over here multiple times, and each time it's always different. But check out what I cooked up.
Upside down, cross, turn to my neck, shut him up. Upside down, cross, turn to my neck, shut him up. Upside down, cross, turn to my neck, shut him up. The billions put that side. My bride tryna go for a ride. I put vet mines right on her thighs. I put the mask on cause I be fried.
It's a good product, Cash.
I don't know, it feels fresh, it feels authentic.
The top is super wide, boxy.
And do your homework on that double zip.
Got the double zip, yes,
No
sir.
cap.
And the distressing, y'all. Details. Is being a content creator the new ATL money glitch?
Personally, I'ma say yes. Y'all let me know in the comments, but I feel like being a content creator, if you know what you're doing and you know how to like turn clout into dollar bills, you're set, like you're good. Like once I figured out like my motion, my way that I could turn like engagement into rates, like that's when I started winning for real. You gotta know your worth. As long as you know like the ins and outs and you know what you're doing, you're not just making content just for like clicks. I feel like it is the new ATL money glitch.
What's one advice you have for somebody that's 18, wants to be a content creator? What's one advice you have for them?
Make content every day. If you make content every day, eventually someone's gonna see what you're doing. But you can really make some bread. I'm talking 5-figure deals. Like sometimes I be sitting in class like, bro, why am I here? Like real talk.
When I was out here in Georgia State, I was selling pounds to make racks. He over here making reels to make racks. This is the new hustle.
He was trapping at Georgia State, huh?
It's crazy. It's a new hustle. Why would you sell weed? Just make fucking Instagram reels. It's safer. You ain't got people coming after you, no feds coming after you, and it's like, you gonna last longer. It's a better career.
He putting y'all on game, man. You gotta leave that life alone, man. Hop on TikTok.
Being an influencer is better than selling drugs. Don't sell drugs. Get on TikTok. Is this a parking spot?
Shit, it is now. I don't know. For real.
Cash K is an army guy. Very disciplined. Image is clean, right? That's the first time I seen him go Hollywood. I knew there was a little Hollywood inside of you, bro. Every entertainer has just got that, like, fuck it. It's in them. What's one of your favorite brands right now, streetwear brands? I know Hellstar's making a wave. What's one of your favorite brands right now?
I'm gonna say Moa
What brand is that?
Moa is basically like Balenciaga, but more like youthful.
I gotta do my homework. I don't even know who that is. Could I wear it as a 32-year-old burnt out Asian guy? Could I wear this?
Absolutely.
I don't know. You said like Balenciaga youthful. Like,
This is the hat.
I haven't seen that hat.
And then here's the bomber jacket. You've never seen this before?
I've seen that one.
Feel me?
That one's tough.
Cardi wore this one, no glazing. I just gotta keep it 100, man. Gotta give him credit. He put that shit on, man. I ain't gonna lie. That was my introduction to Moa Lola. For real, it was like, wait a second, it been kind of tough, twin. But y'all see it.
Cardi stands.
How you feel about that?
I don't know Cardi. I feel like I'm too old. But is that the best rapper out right now? Let me ask you like this: which rapper has the most style?
Ooh, damn, twin. You put me on the spot. I feel like his style is very mature now, but I gotta still give it to Rocky. He made me like, all right, let me tap back in a Bottega Veneta for real. Like, there's more to fashion than just streetwear, having logos everywhere. Like, his silhouettes and proportions be on point. I know when I become a father figure, I'm finna dress like Rocky. I ain't gonna lie.
Last question. Out of all the Instagram stylists, Instagram influencers, which one of them is on your mood board? And you know, for me, my MCM is Sleazy.
Sleazy, bro, you hear this? Like, but I'm putting my girlfriend, man. Shout out Icon Nikki. I love you, baby. My girlfriend's on my mood board. She the flyest female to do it. Tap in. If you don't know, now you know. Icon Nikki. Put it on the screen. You can put all her fits. She's really her. She on every Pinterest board. She's on Arna. If you know, you know. I love my girlfriend.
I love that answer.
Girl get fly, he get fly. Real couple goals type shit. Think I miss my girl right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and make that call. Let's see y'all.
Trapping for real. We're not gonna disclose the amount, but this is trapping for real. You know what I'm saying?
Fresh out of class. Went straight to Superline and they got me right.
Don't sell weed, create content.
I approve that message.
Look, y'all be seeing the Instagram, the YouTube, you be thinking all this shit is fun and games, right? My investor, the Illuminati behind me, he calling me. Your P&Ls look like shit. The financial stability of the company is not there. You're gonna have to file bankruptcy soon. Last night I stayed up all night making this presentation. Cause guess what? It's not just fucking making memes and dancing and shit. A lot of this shit is business shit, so we gotta have this meeting. Alright, guys. I have been reading books and I have been trying to grow the business. So I made a presentation for you guys. Super corporate. I know this is shitty. I know this is fucking, we should have a TV and stuff, but you know, Asian-owned business.
Man, we always have these meetings for no reason. I'm not getting paid. I don't know why I'm sitting in these meetings. I don't even want to be here. I'm working for free. This shit sucks.
What's up, Charm? Real life, you got a Superline tattoo.
Real life.
$300 store credit. Can't make this shit up, guys.
I did it out of love. I just took this and put it here.
Superline tattoo. In the middle of a corporate meeting, we have a customer getting a Superline tattoo, guys. You cannot make this up. This is real life.
Fresh. Real life, what happens?
Real life.
That is some Superline shit right there.
Superline made me 100,000, so I had to stamp it.
Anyone else want to get a Superline tattoo? DM us. We'll work with you on something. Yeah. Charm did it first.
Charm did it first. The big one though.
No, you did.
You can't make this shit up. This is really what happens in Superline.
What's up? What you got on your arm?
Welcome to Superline Wholesale, home of the Superlines and the wholesale.
This is a real tattoo?
Oh yeah, that's real.
No, it's not.
Oh yeah, it's real. Don't come off. That's the thing to keep it clean, dumbass. Superline Wholesale, man.
You got it for free? Or how much you pay?
I ain't paying him nothing that much. It's cool though. It's worth it though. You invest in your businesses, your business invest in you. You know what I mean?
What you do, make $1 every day?
Make $1 every day, but before I did that, I had to come to Superline and make $1 every day. You know what I mean?
Now cuff up everything you got.
All right.
Yeah. That's the end of the show.
We getting robbed on camera. Snow in the bluff. Yeah, give me my mic. Hold up. Tramp, somebody help me. I got the brand. Hey, I'm the CEO now. Your ass to get fired, buddy.
Fire me. They can fire me. I'll find a new job somewhere. It's life. It is what it is.
Superline, this is my brother for life.
I don't even have a Superline tattoo.
I got a Superline tattoo. I'm finna get a Superline chain too.
I'm about to send this to Sleazy. Sleazy said you gotta have a 74 tattoo to work for him. Sleazy, I'm coming. You're not the only one that has a cool brand.
This the coolest brand.
You're not the only daddy.
Brand.
I'm a daddy too now.
Whatever that means.
Appreciate that.
Check his Hell Star, y'all.
It's fake. I only wear fakes. This is
Check his Hell Star. Superline. Superline. It's forever.
Joseph, I forgot to tell you. In order for you to work here, it's mandatory that everyone gets tatted. So. Who wants to work here? Get you a Superline tattoo.